Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be adding a bit of protection to our truck that is going to benefit the engine lifespan. This is easily going to be done by installing a catch can from JLT. These catch cans were designed to prevent a lot of carbon buildup from collecting on our intake system, allowing our engine to breathe a bit better by catching a lot of the oil vapor that is in the crankcase pressure. With these engines in these new trucks being direct injected, they are susceptible to a lot of engine crankcase pressure. The JLT 3.0 catch can works by replacing the factory PCV hose and putting the can in line. The stainless steel mesh that is set in place with the aluminum honeycomb filter will catch any oil vapor that is pushed through the PCV system. Then it will simply drop down the oil into the bottom half of the catch can. Available in either a satin black or clear anodized finish, the 3-ounce can is surely going to catch plenty of oil deposits, keeping our engine as healthy as possible. The easy to install bracket will go right in place without any modifications, keeping our installation simple and quickly done. Under the hood of our 5.3 motor, we are going to need to remove the factory PCV hose located on the driver's side of the engine. The 6.2 liter motor will have the hose routed to the front side of the intake manifold. Depress the gray tabs and pull back on the fitting to release it from its location. With the factory hose aside, we can install the JLT bracket to our catch can. Take the supplied hardware and bracket, installing it to the top portion of the can assembly, lining up the JLT logo. Back under the hood, we are going to have to remove the bolt holding the factory coolant tank in place. Remove the 10mm bolt holding the tank in place and slide it out of its mounting stud location at the top. Place the JLT catch can assembly on the factory stud and reinstall the coolant tank. Use the supplied nut to hold the catch can to the factory stud. Reinstall the factory 10mm bolt holding the coolant tank in place and tighten down. Then tighten down the supplied nut to the stud holding the catch can as level as possible. For the 5.3 motor installation, the long hose coming off the JLT can will go to the upper connection towards the center of the intake system. The 6.2 liter motor installation will route the hose to the front side of the intake manifold. The shorter hose will connect to the top of the valve cover. Now with the catch can installed, we can keep track of how much oil deposits we are catching. A good rule of thumb is to check the catch can each oil change to ensure that it is not overfilling. Simply unscrew the lower portion of the can and empty out the oil that might be in place. Also remember, these cans are available in either a satin black or clear anodized finish, so you can find the one that matches your style. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about JLT catch cans, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for future videos.